So welcome to the Springs community, and I wanted to do this little tour because I want to show you this is the oldest townhouse community in all of Dubai. It's the original townhouse community here in the Springs, also known as Emirates Living, and built by Emaar 18 years ago. Can you believe it? When these sold off plan, they were sold for 600,000 dirham. I know, you're absolutely in pain because you cannot believe the prices today. However, that's what happens in Dubai over time. So for those of you wanting to invest in Dubai and worried where is going to go up, everything in time does go up as a community, especially when it has, nice facilities, a nice neighborhood, and you have shared parks and facilities, just like somewhere like this. So these properties are not new, and what everyone is doing right now is simply buying properties and renovating them and doing them up. So I have actually got a property for sale. So if you check out the description below in this video, you will see what I have available. But for now, I just want you to have a look as we go past to see what is available. So these are townhouses that are attached. You've got 3 bedrooms, you've got 4 bedrooms, and you've got, in between gardens as well. But most people are buying these now and doing them up. You've got gardens in the back, and then because it's an Emaar community, you've also got shared facilities. So you can look down some of these side gates and go into people's gardens here. And what I love about this community is it's very, very near to the back of Jumeirah Lakes Towers. A lot of the British schools are here, and we are just close to the Emirates Hills, which is obviously very desirable for the golf course mansions as well. So check out over here the lake. So it's really, really nice if you wanted to come and walk your dogs around the lake in the morning. I mean, what a beautiful view, right? So this is what you get when you choose the Springs. In fact, what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to show you a little bit more as to what's here. So you see in the distance there, can you see in the very distance there, you will actually see, looking back towards the Sheikh Zayed Road, and in the very distance, we just go in on this video past that waterfall feature. Those are the mansions at Emirates Hills in the very background. So you're very, very close to all the major communities here in the Springs. So look, if you want some more details on properties here, perhaps you're an investor, or you're somebody that's very interested in renovations, I don't recommend renovating apartments because you've really got to take into consideration the whole building. But I always say to my clients, if you are looking to renovate, you want to grab an old property like a townhouse or a villa in a community that's really well established and in demand, and the Springs is, and do it up and put it on the market, because we just don't have enough homes right now. We have way too many apartments, not enough affordable homes. Well, affordable is obviously different for different people's budgets, but what I mean is we don't have properties with a garden between 3 to 6 million dirham. We're really short of supply in Dubai, and that's probably, for those of you watching this video, that may well be your budget, and you're sitting there thinking, gosh, well, Lucy's already said they're in short supply and this is exactly what I'm looking for. So it may well be you have to look for a property like this and renovate yourself. So all the details are in the description below. If you're not a resident of Dubai and you're watching this video and you're wondering, how do I even buy? Do I need a bank account? What's the process? Do I need a lawyer? Who do I trust? All of these questions which I asked once upon a time, I've also bought here. I've been here selling real estate 13 years. Get a WhatsApp out to me. You'll see the link below in this description of this video, and we can chat in more detail. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Press that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. I try to cover the best and most in-demand communities in Dubai. I do not have every community here, and there will be a reason why not. So generally the ones that I have pinpointed and done videos on are because those are the most popular, the most secure, and the least risk. So thank you so much, and take care.